Are we live? Hi guys, we are here again in this video, and you must be wondering what am I doing in this studio with this machine cutting what? No, I've not become a tailor for God's sake for now. Not so early in my life. Since we talk a lot about fashion and trends and clothes and apparels and how the clothes are made, so I thought I'll give you a little bit of feel of it. So today we're going to talk about something really basic and something very important that we all have in our wardrobe, but at times we kind of fizzle out that what actually do we do with that piece of thing in our wardrobe. The great white shirt. Yes, it's very important because we all have it in our wardrobe. From our dads to our grandparents, from small kids to toddlers to even mothers, working women, we all have it. But at times we kind of get lost that what do we do with this white shirt. So I'm going to give you like very simple ways to pump it up and take it to next level each time you wear it. Nehru jackets, guys, they are not always to be worn in Indian weddings, at your mama's and your tauji's wedding or some festival. If you can really team them up with a plain white shirt, they have the power to look very effective and very trendy and make you look very casual at the same time. Personally, I feel like you can go for a very neutral shade, an earthy shade, something like this, browns, probably greys, light blues, and even pastels would work. And if you want them to be delivered at your doorstep any day, you can call Aspen Bazaar and they'll send it to you right away. And if you think Nehru jackets are not too cool for school and you think they are a little not your style statement, you could always opt for these cut sleeve denim jackets to add a little bit macho vibe to yourself. And you can go with blacks, you can go with blue basic denim jackets to add a little bit of ruggedness and rough tough in your daily life. And I'll tell you personally also, because I also try these, so my personal advice to you is you can always go with them over Nehru jackets. Well, if you think I've given you two safe options till now, you thought wrong. Not so early. I would come to my colors, which is of course our USP. You could really play around with pullovers this season. Yes, pullovers worn over t-shirts look very smart and very chic and give a very international look. Pullovers, you can work something like this, which is very colorful, very animated, full of cartoons, jazzy prints. Or you could go with something like this, which is very basic, black and white and very monochromatic. What? You're waiting for another product? No, there's not going to be another product now. For you, I am now a magician and I'm going to show you magic right here in the middle of this video. Look at this. Keep looking. Ta-da! You know, printed scarf can be draped into 100 different ways to give you a different appeal each time. On a plain white shirt, like scarves like these with zebra prints or animal prints or florals, and mind it, scarf on men look as hot as on any other thing. So my personal advice is whenever you are blank and you have nothing else to do with your plain white shirt, team this up and it's done. And if you don't have an option and if you can't go and buy it at the right minute, you can always log on to Aspen Bazaar, which is of course our dear friend, and they'll deliver it to you as they have millions of options available online already. And last but not the least, I have this very safe and the best option that you can always have it is this black charcoal coat. The power of black over white is universal and you don't know that what wonders this black coat can do over a white shirt. I'm not telling you to just wear it plain as it is. You can always spice it up and make it much more casual and street style at the same time by adding these funky badges to it. Probably you can go for a nice pocket square, a nice polka dot, a nice printed pocket square, or you can also go a little bit more nerdy like. You can add a very nice bow tie with a white shirt. So I think these options, when teamed up with a black coat, can just break the monotony and give a different perspective to it. So guys, I hope that this video must have helped you with a lot of options with what to do with your white shirt. And whenever you look at that white shirt hanging in the wardrobe, you don't see it just a white shirt hanging. You see opportunities. You see that yes, you can create something new with that plain canvas and you can always play around with it. Until then, with my cameraman Kunal Kohli, I'm signing off, and I'll see you next time.